So today I'll be cooking creamy cheesy pasta with jerk chicken. First, I am boiling my pasta with some vegetable. That vegetable is carrot that I've diced. First, I boil the pasta along with the carrots for about 8 to 10 minutes. After finish boiling, I pour it out into a strainer and run some tap water, cold tap water on it. To add some salt. Do not add oil to your pasta while boiling. Add salt. I am going to start cooking the pasta in cooking cream. First, I add butter to the saucepan. You can also use margarine. Next up, I pour the cooking cream into the pot, and stir. You can also use milk if you do not have this type of cooking cream. To start to season the pot, I start with some salt, then some black pepper, then I go in with my chopped onions and garlic. Which I give After which I give the pot a stir. Then I continue to season with other seasoning. I use complete body all purpose Maggi seasoning. At this point, make sure your stove is on low heat. You don't want to dry out your cream. Then I add some mozzarella cheese and also some pepper flakes, some crushed pepper flakes. I add mozzarella cheese at this point, but you don't have to. You can add other cheese because mozzarella cheese is gonna be a bit strongish and holding your pasta together. So you can use regular cheddar cheese before the mozzarella. However, it does work. So I will continue to stir because the mozzarella cheese is a bit hard. So I am stirring it out, mixing it out until it's almost smooth. Then I will go in with the pasta and vegetables. The pasta I will stir, I will combine it into the cream, the mozzarella cheese, and as you can see on the screen, the cheese started taking effect. You can see it start to stretch, that all stringy thing. That's the effect of the mozzarella cheese. Yes, that's the cheese that they use in pasta, not pasta, pizza. After I've combined the pasta and veggies very well, I will go ahead and add the jerk chicken that was prepared ahead of time. Then you mix and combine the jerk chicken into the pasta very well. If you have been watching this far and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and like the video. Always remember to like the video. Next, I will add some scallion or green onions, whatever you call it. And I will also add some more cheese, but this time it's some this yellow and white cheese, not the mozzarella cheese. And I will combine it. Yes, remember we're cooking creamy, cheesy pasta with jerk chicken, so it is very creamy and cheesy. So I will combine very well. Please ensure you don't overcook your pasta when boiling, because as you can see, this one, it has not overcooked, so it can take a little bit more cooking and stirring. So do not overcook your pasta. 8 minutes, maximum 10, no more than that. Now that the pasta is almost ready, it is almost completed. I am adding some more cheese at the top. I will not stir this one. I'm just adding it at the top as a form of decoration and extra cheese. Then I will serve. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate you, and tell me where you're watching from in the comments.